In large hotels, generally starting from 400 rooms, the position of director of rooms is often present. This role is responsible for overseeing all room-related operations, including the front office, housekeeping, laundry, guest services, concierge, reservation, and sometimes also the spa, depending on the property's configuration. The key responsibilities are guest service and experience, ensure consistent delivery of luxury guest service across all room-related departments, lead initiatives to personalize guest experience, VIPs, loyalty members, return guests, resolve escalated guest complaints professionally and promptly. Rooms operation management, oversee daily operations of front office, housekeeping, concierge and guest relations, monitor and improve KPIs such as occupancy, ADR, RevPAR, guest satisfaction, and cleanliness score. Ensure full compliance with health, safety, and hygiene standards.